foams, slides, man. Oh, for real. I like this foams more.
I don't think don't kill my nigga, what?
Just in general, the look stand out more. I like the cover. It feels like a shoe, but it's still a slipper or slide, if you want to call it that. My favorite these, can slide off your foot easier at the end of the day, but still nice. Like, it's not far behind, but I prefer these. And these have been worn. So I had these for like, I don't know, since they released this year, whenever that was. And I've been wearing them, and like, as you can see, like, we still pretty clean, like, you know, but like the dirt, say if you get a scuff on here, and you like wipe it off, you get your cloth or whatever, the way like the rubber is, like, it just slides off super easy. So like, I've cleaned these, like, or wiped them off. I didn't use soap or anything. I just like straight water cloth. And it's like the rubber just the scuffs or whatever slide off super easy. And I feel like this shade like helps. Like, if it's a black scuff and it rubs out to like a gray or light color. This color like helps blend that dirt or whatever it was away. It keeps it nice and smooth, man. So we got the slides now. Slides, again, this rubber is just fire. Now what I will say with these, this rubber feels so much better than inside of here. Like, I know it's like probably the same thing, but like, it's like cushiony. I feel like these are just a little more cushiony than the foams at the end of the day. Super cushion. Look at that size and that thickness. I feel like with these, it's not. Let me see. I feel like it's not that much thickness behind here. Let's see thickness. Oh man, so these definitely more cushion wise, like way more comfortable. Way more comfortable. So like, they need to find a way to make foams as cushioning, as cushiony as these. Boom. Alright, man, let's try these bad boys on. These ones good. Now, what I will say is, these are 12, and the foams are 13. We got the foams in 12 too, but I'm glad I got the 13 because that extra little room, like the foams, since it's closed off, you know, you still got, like, I feel my toes at the top of the, I feel like my toes would have been at the top if I didn't get the 13s in those, but yeah. Now these, like I said, these ain't cushion as the slides, but they still comfy. Like, they do the job, you know what I'm saying? Those are just super comfy, so these are great as they are, but like, those are just that much more rubber on, whatever, have that much more rubber on. So, boom, man. You really can wear these joints with anything. Shoot, we're at the beach.